Hello everybody, thanks for joining us on this record-setting hot day here in the valley, and our temperatures soaring into the 90s, fueling some thunder showers thanks to some low-level moisture that do continue tonight. You can see the flashes. Thanks to our friends at Home of Economy for providing this view. You're looking south from that location across Highway 2 and Devil's Lake. The moon out there and a little bit of lightning flashing in the skies. Here's your current conditions out at Hector International. 73 northeast winds at 8 miles per hour. Dew points in the 60s means it's sticky out there. There's still some low-level moisture in that atmosphere, and that will fuel yet more storms in your forecast as we go through. Taking a look at your forecast here as we look across the region, we do have our sights set on some changes that will be taking place as we go through the next 24 to 48 hours. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the satellite and the radar and one area of flooding concerns. Out near Climax, western Polk County here, just west of the Grand Forks area. Rainfall estimates upwards of 1 to 5 inches of rain in places. So watch out, turn around, don't drown if you run across some rising waters. We do have some remnant showers and storms. Our Skycam in Devil's Lake looking southward across the lake is seeing this activity pushing out of Stutsman County through Foster and Eddy County, now not far from Carrington. So some rumbles of thunder, slow movers, so you're going to get a downpour from these. You can expect a few tenths of an inch if you're under one of these. Moving out of the Clearwater County area into northwestern Beltrami County is another cluster of thunder showers. These will continue to move northward tonight as we see temperatures in the 70s for all. Still warm though. Look at Fergus Falls escaping some of the heaviest of the activity tonight. 79 degrees for you, 72 in the Hallock area and 76 in Grand Forks. Here's your current conditions once again across the region. Here in the Fargo area, our temperature 73, light winds. Temperatures and as the storms exit by around midnight at the latest. I don't expect any more severe weather as we go through the night, just the threat of the locally heavy rains. We start our day 65 to 70 degrees and a south breeze and a mix of sun and clouds across our sky. South winds heating up again, and the midday hour will be in the 80s in many locations. And check this out. Heading into the afternoon, we're going to see once again temperatures soaring well up into the 90s. As we go through, we could kiss 100 degrees. Wherever these thunderstorms form, though, as we saw today, we could quickly cool off 20 degrees under those puppies as they deliver their pop of wind and rain, cooled wind, I might add at that, and hail. Best chance of showers and storms appears to be in the southern one half of the viewing area. They will be hit and miss like tonight. They will have locally heavy rain because of all the moisture in the atmosphere. All in all, it's going to be a repeat performance with a record-setting temperature potential in Grand Forks and Fargo. Just some doggone hot weather. What do you see in that cloud there, Justin?
Looks like a cow.
A cow. Okay, I was going to say a dog. I'm going to call this a cumulus caninus cloud. See what I did there? Carol, thanks for sharing. That's from Barnesville. All right, let's take a look at your planning forecast. Proceed farming forecast the next 3 days. Very hot, daily thunderstorm chances, all hit and miss in variety. And again, if one happens to make its way over Hector International, that will quell some of the heating that we undergo. 80s and 90s throughout the remainder of next week's forecast period. Finally, somewhat of a reprieve as we get through the upcoming week.